In this video, I'll show you how to quickly redeem a Binance gift card on both the mobile app and the website. Let's start with the Binance app. Open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap More, then select Gift Card. Once you're in the gift card section, go to the Redeem tab and tap Redeem to Crypto. Enter your 16-character gift card code and tap Redeem. The funds will be credited instantly to your spot or funding wallet, and that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Binance gift card on mobile.now. Let's look at how to do it on the Binance website. Go to the official Binance.com website and log into your account. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Gift Card. Enter the same 16-character redemption code and click Redeem. Just like on the app, your funds will be instantly added to your spot or funding wallet, and that's all it takes to redeem a Binance gift card. For more information, you can check out Binance's guide on how to buy and send gift cards.